Welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show and also describe how we can change the necessary password for SULIAIR industrial air compressor. In industrial purposes for different reason, we need air compressor to control the different units, control valves such as control equipments. For this we use the air compressor. To configure and necessary data installation, we need sometimes the password, and if this password is not correct, then it is not possible to change different data and necessary configurations, and it is essential to know the password. For this SULIAIR air compressor, the password is not static. Every time the password is variable and this password is changeable. Now we see how we can set the necessary password. From this control panel, there is different buttons like star, hash, display, program, up and down. For these buttons we can change the necessary data inputting this. Here is the instrument control panel. Has different relay and also a temperature controller and also different sensor equipments. Here is the temperature controller showing the running temperature, and also magnetic contactor, overload relay, and also inside here is a step down transformer and different connections. This is instrument panel, and here is the pressure transmitter and also differential pressure transmitter and oil pressure transmitter. Here the sensor is used to the panel, and from the sensor it is connected to the control panel, and it's control the safety system of the compressor. Here is the connection, different cable connection is here. Also here is the magnetic contactor. This is instrument panel, and electrical panel is outside. This is 24-volt system. Here is the control back panel, SULIAIR compressor. This is main HMI unit in which we will set the parameter, and here is star, hash. This is program, and first time if we press the star and then program, then you see here is password. At first we need to set the password. For password we will use last 3 digits of password into 2 plus 3. Here is the digit 563, so if we multiply by 2 and then plus 3, then it will 1129, so the password will 129. If we set it 129 and then press program, then it will activate, and you see here is 129. Now we will press program. You see the password is activated, and now we can change after setting the parameter. If we press the program button one after one, then it will change one after one. You see number 1, 17, 18, 19, 31, 36, 37. For this password, all the parameters to change is not possible. If we want to change all the parameters, necessary parameters, then another password is exist, and then we need to change the password by another way. This is the first way, and another way the password to change the parameter. You see first star and then program, and you see here it will show the password 372. Now we will change the password, and if it will last 3 digits of password into 10 plus 10. This is another way. Now 372 into 10 plus 10 is 3730. Now the password will 730. If we insert this password 730, then likely all the parameters will be changed. Last time our ampere setting was not accurate. When the compressor was running, its ampere was showing 65 ampere, but if we measured the ampere by our clamp meter, then it was likely 34 to 35 ampere. So you see, this is number 22 current ratio. It was set like 200, so it was, the reading was not okay. After changing the password, we change this to 35, and after setting this, we follow that the ampere rating is likely 27 to 28 ampere, and it was okay. We set this value 35 and it is okay. This is a way. For previous password it is not possible to change. For this we need another way. You see, if we want to change password, here is 141. Again I am showing you 141 is password. So last 3 digits of password into 10 plus 10, it is 1420. So password to be set 420, and then press star and then program. When everything was set, and also after setting the increase and decrease button, then we set to display. Here is different values, likely overload value, that means another display value, loading unloading pressure, start stop, then start delta, time, and different parameters. Here you see likely 70 number of parameters that we can sense, and here is the setted value. Anytime the program may be changed, and if we need to set the parameter, then we can use these values to run the compressor smoothly. Here is different value, del P1, del P2, that means different value, first stage and second stage. And here is the hours load, ampere rating 37 ampere. There is the display, English, Chinese, also it can be changed. Different time it show Chinese display, then we need to change by setting the password to English language. And here is the P1, P2, different value. Here is the LED, you see there is different value, and when alarm comes we see what's the problem and what's showing, and after showing the alarm we can change this value and to run the compressor smoothly. Thanks for everyone for watching this video.